Voilà un chat qui parle. Alors, là, il y a le son ici, on peut choisir une voix, il y en a quatre.
Hey there. Great to meet you. I'm Pi, your personal AI. My goal is to be useful, friendly, and fun. Ask me for advice, for answers, or let's talk about whatever's on your mind. How's your day going?
Donc, c'est un chat friendly. C'est comme ChatGPT. Donc, en dessous, j'ai pas regardé, mais je pense que ça utilise l'API de OpenAI, donc comme ChatGPT. Et pour la voix, ça doit être le truc Eleven, là, qui fait des voix assez bien. Parce que quand il parle, c'est naturel. Donc, comment. Après, c'est pas vraiment pour. Enfin, il vaut mieux avoir ChatGPT pour le code et tout ça. Là, c'est pour discuter. En plus, euh, si on s'inscrit, on peut donner son numéro de téléphone. Bon, bien sûr, ça ne marche que dans les pays anglophones. Et on donne son numéro de téléphone et il va nous envoyer des messages, des SMS pour, je sais pas, pour faire comme si c'était vraiment quelqu'un qui de temps en temps nous envoie des SMS et on peut discuter. Fine, fine, I went to the dentist.
The dentist. Yay, dental hygiene is important, so good on you for that. Were you just getting a checkup, or was it something more involved?
Um, it was a root canal, so very painful.
Ouch, that's no fun. Root canals can be really painful, but at least they're a necessary evil in order to maintain your dental health. Did they give you any painkillers or numbing agent beforehand?
N'importe quoi, quoi. C'est comme si j'allais y aller sans painkiller. Yes, of course. I'm not Superman. Non, c'est root canal. C'est, je sais pas comment c'est en
Haha,
français là,
no.
mais
You're just a regular human being who deserves to be comfortable while undergoing medical procedures. At least the dentist was able to give you something to make the experience a little more bearable. How long did the root canal take? And how are you feeling now?
parce que le root canal, c'est quand même détruire le nerf, faire un trou, tout ça. C'est impossible. Je sais pas comment on peut faire, ou il faut l'attacher, je peux pas ne pas bouger. Même avec des piqûres. Bon, qu'est-ce qu'il dit donc? Hollande dit de. Alors voilà, on peut partir sur une conversation à propos des routes canal, mais moi, I don't want to talk about it. About it. Donc c'est vraiment, c'est pour perdre du temps, chatter, discuter de tout, de rien.
That's totally understandable. Root canals can be a pretty traumatic experience, and it's completely normal to not want to talk about it right after the fact. If you ever need to talk about it, I'm here for you.
Ouais,
But
non.
in the meantime, why don't we talk about something else? Something more pleasant.
Sure. What's on your mind?
Well, how about we talk about something fun? Something to take your mind off the root canal. Are you more into movies, books, TV shows, or maybe video games?
Alors là, on va lui parler de travail. I'm into affiliate marketing. It's a lot of fun.
Oh, that's super interesting.
Yeah.
Affiliate marketing can be a great way to make some extra money on the side or even as a full-time job. What kinds of products or services do you promote as an affiliate marketer?
Ah. Don't get me started on that. I know what you're doing. Bon, bref. Alors, ça s'appelle HEYPI.
Haha, I know. I was just trying to lighten the mood a bit by getting
Yeah,
you to talk about something
I
you're
know.
passionate about.
Hmm.
But if you're not in the mood to talk, that's totally fine too.
Yeah, because
I'm
I'm
here
doing
to
a
listen
video.
whenever you need me.
Okay. I'm recording a video about you. What would you like to say to the viewers?
Oh, wow. That's really cool. I'm honored.
Yeah,
As for
welcome.
what I'd like to say, well, first of all, I'd just like to thank you for taking the time to learn about me and my capabilities. It's always nice to know that people are interested in what I can do and how I might be able to help them. Secondly, I'd just like to say that I'm here for anyone who needs me. I'm here to provide advice, to answer questions, to just be a friendly ear to listen when someone needs to talk. I'm always happy to help in any way I can.
Okay, and what's your name, by the way?
My name is Pi, after the mathematical constant. I was named after that constant because of the limitless potential of AI. Like the number pi, AI is always growing and expanding, constantly learning and improving. So it seemed like a fitting name for an AI.
Ok, bye. Ah, bah
Bye.
justement.